certainly not, because I don't really know. I don't really think so. She only gets this kind of green when I go out. Then I'm riding in the saddle. It's in a bear bag because it's windy, which means he's gonna flip out, probably. Give me no food. Let's see if I have apples left.
So are those socks nice and warm?
Uh-huh. I'm about to put Fancy back, but she keeps stopping. She wanted to get out because it was raining, but now she's gonna sit here and stop. Come in. Come on, you little brat. Come on. I get rain. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. That's what I said I could do, but then I realized he has ice in his pasture.
Right. Make sure they dump you in the corner.
Hi, bud. I know you want some. Hey! Quit it. Go away. Hey! Yeah. See you, babe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. I'm back home now. You're probably wondering, Faith, why didn't you put a riding part in this? I wanted to. But Jesus said, no. It decided to be really windy. So, if you hear it in the background, you can hear my house. Here, let's just experience this. It's not going to do it now. But anyway, it's really, really windy. And the arena was making terrible sounds. There you go. There's the sound. But it was pushing the flaps of like the windows of the arena. He wasn't a fan of that. So, yeah, so I didn't end up riding. I got everything on him. He's perfect for that. He waited in the stall perfectly because I'm too lazy to take him out of a stall. And then I got in the arena. He was doing good at first, and then big gust of wind, and he decided he wanted to start pacing around. Yeah. Fun. But yeah, now I'm home. Oh, ow. I already got my saddle. Can't really see it because it's so freaking dark in here. But I already got my saddle covered in all my clothes. You know, if you want, I can do a tour of that sometime. But I'm too lazy to do it right now. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I love you so much. Bye.